This must be it. This must be the algal bloom the teacher was teaching us yesterday. I've got an idea. Wow, they're both here.
Hello everyone, we are the team from SK Complex KLIA. Our team members are myself, Khadija, Yusuf, hi, Ketin, hi, Ziyad, hi, and Hasha, hi. Today we are going to talk about a very special process called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process where plants make their own food using sunlight, water, and air, which contains a gas called carbon dioxide to produce oxygen and food known as glucose. So, plants can help us produce oxygen, which we need to breathe. Wow, isn't that amazing?
Let me explain how photosynthesis works in a simple way. First, the plant gets sunlight, and then it takes water from its roots, and finally it absorbs carbon dioxide into the air. The plant uses all of this to make food, glucose, and oxygen. Oxygen goes into the air for us to breathe.
We conduct an experiment about photosynthesis. Here's what we need: carbonated water, glass container, and a torchlight, and a aquatic plant. This thing will help us how plants make oxygen. Here's what we did. We poured carbonated water into the glass container, and we put the aquatic plant into the glass container. We shone light on it, and we waited and watched. Wow, our experiment worked. This means plants is making oxygen.
Now let us start the life experiment. This is our carbonated water. This is our glass container. This is our aquatic plant, and this is our LED light. First, we pour the carbonated water inside of the glass container. We turn on the LED light. Wow! Can everybody see all the little bubbles on the leaves? These bubbles represent oxygen.
Wow! Amazing!
Now, let's talk about something that can affect photosynthesis. Algal blooms. Algal blooms happens when there's too many algae grows in the rivers, lakes, or the sea. This happens when there's too much food, nutrients in the water. Often things like farm chemicals, dirty water from toilets, and waste from factories.
When there are too many algae in the water, the algae float on top and block sunlight from reaching the plants underwater. Without sunlight, plants can't make food. And when algae die, they rot, and the bacteria use up all the oxygen in the water. Without oxygen, fish and other animals can't breathe and may die.
But wait, there's more. Some algae are poisonous and can make animals and even people sick. The water becomes dirty and unsafe to drink or swim in. Yuck!
So, why does this matter for the world? Algal blooms can make clean water harder to find, which means that it will be harder to find fresh drinking water. It can even hurt many sea creatures such as fish, turtles, and other living things. This will lead to the loss of biodiversity. And that means more carbon dioxide will stay in the air. This will lead to climate change. It can even make people sick if they drink or swim in polluted water.
Photosynthesis is great because it gives us oxygen. Algal blooms will stop plants from photosynthesizing and make the environment unhealthy. Let's work together and protect our planet.
We hope you learned something cool today about photosynthesis and how we can help keep our water